You have shared that you trade with 20% of your bag. Is this 20% of your available margin, excess liquidity, or 20% of your total account value? So it's complicated. Let me kind of explain how this all works. So I'm mostly a lot of options in my account, and then big bags of low cost basis equities like Tesla, Google, etc. All my meta is only in synthetic longs. But right now, as of today, and this is an example, if you imagine my equity portfolio on my brokerage account is worth $100. All right, I'm now $18 cash, which is 18%. My stock buying power is $90. Okay, even though I'm technically in the account only $82, only $18 cash, $82 is already in other assets. But I use those other assets to buy more assets when I want. Like I could double my account size tomorrow by using all my stock buying power, or sell a whole bunch of puts or calls out of the money using my margin available, which is also $80. So if you think of it as ratios, positions to cash is 5.43, positions to margin is 1.31, and positions to stock buying power is 1.25. And that's where I am today. Now, I used $100 as an example, but if you use $1 million example as a portfolio, that'd be $180,000 in cash. And the ability to buy literally another nearly $900,000 worth of stock using the stock buying power that I have. Because my brokerage, I do everything in margin and they give me margin, but I like to have a huge, very, very big safety airbag, okay? Or else I can get wiped out, and I never want that to happen. So I always have a ton of margin and I never ever use it all.